Today I'm cooking prawns fried rice. It's delicious, flavorful, fluffy, and perfect for a quick dinner for two. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 280 grams of cooked rice. I recommend using a day-old rice for its texture. 110 grams of bok choy, washed, cut to bite-sized pieces, with the stem and leaf separated. 50 grams of yellow onion, cut to cubes. 100 grams of prawns, deveined, washed and deshelled. 2 eggs. Half a chilli, sliced thinly. 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onion. 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic. 2 tablespoons of garlic oil. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Half teaspoon of light soy sauce. Half teaspoon of sesame oil. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. The list of ingredients is in the Seymour link. First, marinate the prawn with the salt. Rub to evenly distribute it. Set aside. Then, break the eggs. I am breaking them in a separate bowl to ensure that none of them are bad before adding to the rest. Set aside. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic oil in a non-stick pan and let it heat up for 1 minute. When the oil is hot, spread it around the pan. After 1 minute, add the prawns on one side for about 50 seconds or until they become half orange. Flip each prawn to the other side and let them fry for another 50 seconds or until cooked. After 50 seconds, the prawns are cooked. Switch off the heat. Remove them from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, switch on the heat to medium. Add all the chopped onions. Give them a stir. Then add the bok choy stem and give them a stir. Let them simmer for about 1 minute and 40 seconds or until slightly softened. Stir occasionally, evenly distribute. After 1 minute and 40 seconds, the bok choy stems are cooked and soft. Add all the bok choy leaves, chopped chilies, and half of the light soy sauce. Stir for about 30 seconds to evenly mix the ingredients. After the ingredients are well mixed and the bok choy leaves have shrunk, add all the rice, spreading them around the pan and on the top of the vegetable and breaking any large lumps. Add the seasonings, pepper, sesame oil, half of the crispy fried garlic, and all of the oyster sauce. Stir the rice and seasoning for about 2 minutes or until the rice become nice and even color. Press any small lumps of the rice with the back of the spatula to break them. After 2 minutes, the rice is a nice even color. Give it a taste. Delicious! More seasoning can be added as preferred. When you are happy with the taste, push the rice to the side of the pan so that half of the pan bottom is exposed. Pour all the balance of garlic oil to the bottom of the pan, the eggs, and the rest of the light soy sauce. Quickly stir the eggs to mix it with the soy sauce. After 10 seconds, the eggs starting to cook at the bottom of the pan, push the rice back to cover the eggs. Let it cook for about 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, flip the rice and stir to break up the eggs into smaller pieces. It smells so good right now. Then add all the prawns to the fried rice and give it a couple of stirs. Sprinkle about 2/3 of chopped spring onions and stir. Now our prawns fried rice is done. It is super simple. Switch off the heat. Dish out and garnish with the rest of the crispy fried garlic for fragrant. Serve with some cut chilli and drizzle the light soy sauce and slice of chilled cucumber on the side. And the perfect dinner is ready. Let's eat! Wow, it is so delicious. The rice is very aromatic, fluffy and full of flavors. The prawns is tender and very juicy. So good! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!